this tutorial of Lightspeed Systems, you will learn how to hide your classes from previous years, rename and reorder your schedule, set a new schedule for this year's classes and times, and last, a brief description of how to use the web rules available within Lightspeed Systems. Let's start with hiding your classes from previous years. The first thing you're going to do is select the drop-down pick on the left, and then go down to Manage. Once you are here, you can see your classes that you are currently enrolled in this year, as well as your classes from last year. Let's go hide our classes from last year first. To do this, you go to the right-hand side, select the three dots, and simply select Hide. Repeat this process until each one of your classes are hidden from your dashboard. Now that we have hidden all of our classes from last year, let's go in and rename our classes for this year. To do this, you will again select the three dots on the right-hand side, select Rename, and then name this class whatever you would prefer it to be. Then select Save. Then repeat those steps on your remaining classes until all of your classes are renamed. Now that we've renamed our classes, let's go in and reorder our classes in the correct order. To do this, all you need to do is select the dots on the left-hand side and move the class to where you would prefer it to be. Now that we've renamed our courses and set them in the order we would like for them to be, let's go and set the schedule for each class. In order to do this, select your back button and go to your drop-down pick in the top left-hand corner and select Manage. From here, we can go to the three dots and select Settings. This is where we will go in and set the time for our first period. Our first period is going to be 8 a.m. to 8:55 a.m. Make sure that you select Save. Now that you have set your class schedules, let's go look at some of the class controls that you may use. First, you have the option for browsing or not browsing. Next, you can lock each student's screen at the same time with Screen Lock. When you select this, every student in the class screen will lock. This is great for when you want all eyes on you or to do whole group instruction. Here, we can send a link to every student in the class at the same time. Then we have Web Rules. Under Web Rules, you have a couple of options. First is None. No web rules are currently selected. Then we have Allow. Students can only visit websites you list, and you can create that list by simply selecting Create List. Last, we have Block. Most websites can be visited except those you specifically block. Again, you will need to create a list of what you would prefer to be blocked. For further tutorials or more support, simply submit a support ticket in Eduphoria under Department of Digital Learning.